let's get modding this BRZ. I have a bunch of parts I need to install just to make this thing looking a bit more my car or my spec. Let's open these up and let's get to it. First up is this license plate bracket is really bent and it's old and it didn't come with the proper hardware. Just look at these bolts, they're sticking out so far that I had to stick the zip tie here so that this wouldn't touch the bumper. So let's get this off and change it to the better license plate bracket. Let's go do that right now. Bam. Okay, that was a fail because what the hell was that? It sounded like a cop car. Okay, that was a fail because this wouldn't come off. I almost stripped this damn thing. What the heck? This wouldn't come off. So I just used the new bolts and put my plate back up because what the heck. All right, next mod. Okay, next up I have this yellow film I want to try putting over the fog lights. So I'm gonna clean it off with alcohol and see if it's there. Okay. Okay, I'll accept that because this was just free actually. It was a gift, so I'll take it, but okay. All right, let me try turning it on. All right, let's see what happens when I turn the headlights. You know what? Not bad. Let's put the other one on. That's not bad. You know what? Let's keep the yellow. It's not like a super bright yellow either, but that's not bad. You know what? I like it. As long as it don't look too close. It's not the best wrap job, but it'll do. Sick. Okay, next mod. Next up is the interior dome light. As you can see, the door's open and nothing works. Nope, nothing works. So let me go put that in right now. Okay, so that is as bright as my future. Oh my god. Okay. Done. Oh, that is so bright. Oh my god. Okay, next up I have is license plate lights. So this is also another mod that I always do on my cars. Every time I get a new car, I like to do LED lights all around because it just makes the car look modern. Now this car does have LED lights, however it's like a blue. I like a pure white and a bit brighter, so I'm gonna go change that out. It should be pretty simple to do. Take off this trunk panel to get to the lights, so let me try to do that now. Done. Oh, okay, so the way these are, they're just small little bulbs. The one I got is a whole replacement housing for that, so let's go take those out. So I'm an idiot. I didn't realize I need to take off this whole piece here to get to that. So what I did was I actually had spare T10 LED bulbs instead. So I'm gonna try that out and see if this works. Yeah, see, look, that looks way better now. Oh, that looks so good. That looks way better than the old one. All right, perfect. Okay, next up, I want to change this to an LED, like a brighter LED bulb. Actually, the T10 that I just put in the trunk. So let's go take this off and plug in the new light. Should be pretty easy. All right, and then how the fuck do I change that? You know what? This is so confusing. I'm not even gonna attempt to put a new bulb in this because the bulb is surrounded by this housing And this housing is so confusing. I've never seen this before. What in the world? I'm just gonna leave this in because that is so confusing to me. What in the world? Alright. It's fine as is. Dash cam. This is something you all need to have in your car. I don't care if it's a daily, sports car, beater. Get a dash cam. This is something I do in every single car that I have. It looks like he had a transponder, so I'm trying to take this off. Huh. That's a GoPro mount. Okay. Interesting. I'll leave that on, but I'm gonna take this off. I need a break. Come on. This is hard. Okay. Progress. This is so hard to take off. God damn, especially without heat. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I did it. This, oh my god. That's so hard to take off. Let's clean off that surface. And let's get this bad boy mounted up. So, I got this on Amazon. I got this for the STI, but unfortunately, when I saw the STI, I also left the dash cam in, so I had to buy a new one. Not a big deal. This is only 70 bucks on Amazon. Front and rear, 4K, comes with an SD card already. You need to get this. I don't care if you don't have one, get one. Have you seen all those videos of people just driving, then all of a sudden they get cut off or an accident happens and you're literally just driving? This will save your ass. Get one. It has everything you need, the app for your phone. Again, I'm not sponsored by this. Secret lighter, the rear camera. Perfect. Alright. Gonna wipe down that surface. Probably put it around here, right there. And I'll do the wiring after, so I can angle it. Yeah, perfect. Again, already has an SD card inside here. 70 bucks. Alright. Dash cam install. Let's do this. Now I can just kind of slide it in with my fingers. Pause, that's what she said. I'll probably run the wire for the backup camera the same way. Almost there. Come on, let's start this. The wire goes from the glove box. Whoa. Okay, so the wire goes from the glove box up along here, across twice, and then to the dash cam. Dash cam is installed. Let's see if it works.
Thank you for using this Wi-Fi dash cam.
Okay. Yeah.
Please press the power button to format the memory card.
Please press what?
Please press the power button to format the memory card.
Power button.
Formatting memory card. Formatting failed. Please replace the memory card.
What?
Please insert a memory card. Please insert a memory card.
Okay. There.
Recording started.
Okay, there it goes. Nice. Now it's recording. And I can take this off. Boom. Perfect. Done. I think I'll connect it with my phone. Okay, connected to Wi-Fi. And there you go. It sets the time and date for everything, and it's recording. Perfect. And then it's pretty quick, this app, and it's a good view too. And all I have to do is just plug in the rear one and route it towards the back, and that is it. But that I will save for another day. And now the last thing I want to do is try out the Cerakote headlight restoration kit, because you can see here how that is clear and that one. I'm gonna do both and see if it works. Let's give this a try. I know Devin Nimula loves this thing. I've watched a few of his videos and I think let's give this a try. If it works for him, it can work for me. So open up this packaging. Yeah, so this is a quick little before. What's in the box? Let's see here. So, okay, well, all right, well, let me read this real quick. Hold on. Okay, I kind of get how it works. It's first use the first step, wipe down the headlights, essentially. And then let me see here. Use the sandpaper, and then use the 2000 grit and 3000 grit. Wet sand it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse the headlights with water, and then use step 3. Fuck. Okay, let's see if this works. I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'll do my best to film this as best I can. First step is to put on the gloves. Let's do that. Let's give this a try. I think normally they can mask off the car, but I don't have any tape with me, so I'm just gonna do my best. All right, so. Not bad with this one. I apologize for the noise. A bunch of cars are coming through. And my camera's about to die, so let me just finish this up real quick. Alright, just gonna wet sand this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then see how it turns out. Okay, 2000 grit is done. Already looking a lot better. Let's do 3000 grit and then step number 3. Alright, 3000 grit. Man, my hands are cold. Holy cannolis. Alright, let me just go do this, knock this out real quick. Okay, step 3. Whoa. I will say, that looks really good. Oh my god. I have to do that one now. Because what? That looks so good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no. I have to do that one now. Look at that. That's brand new. Oh fuck, okay, hold on guys. BRB. Oh my god. That stuff works so good. 10 out of 10. You guys gotta get that. If your headlights, that was so easy. If your headlights, oh my god, let me close it. Oh my god. That looks so much better. Oh my god. Look at that. I also did the little DRLs as well, briefly, and it came out so well for a little effort. It looks so good. I can't believe how well it came out. Oh my god, all right. I think I have one more. No, do I? I don't think I have any more mods to this. But yeah, look at it. Looks so good. Oh, wow. Those headlights came out so good. Okay, I gotta let it dry for a bit before I can drive it, but oh my god. Oh, it's so bright in here, I can see all the dust. What the? Oh, my eyes. Yeah, it's so bright in here now. I can literally see all the freaking dirt. Definitely gotta clean that. But yeah. Oh wow, let me take a look outside. That looks a lot better. Those headlights also look a lot better now. Yellow fogs. Dash cam. Yeah, alright. It's the little things that make the biggest difference. Alright, my camera's about to die.
4 to 6 days later.
And it is a week after I did all those parts. First things first, I got a new camera lens, so hopefully everything should feel a bit wider. And I have one last mod to do before I finish this video. Cigarette splitter, that's what it is. So, in the BRZ, down in here, there's actually a circuit lighter, and I want to hook up the magnetic charger and the dash cam at the same time. So let's open this up and install it. Should be really quick. That's super bright. You can see everything. Oh my god. I kind of want to keep this more clear. Oh, fun fact. I also got an open flash tablet from the previous owner that has a tune on it already. So that's pretty cool. But I know Ecotech is the way to go in all these things. So pretty straightforward stuff. Yeah, just gonna plug it in. Okay, it's working.
Thank you for using this Wi-Fi
Dash cam is working, and now if I put my phone up here, it should charge it. It is charging. Perfect. So now my phone's gonna charge while I drive. That's all I really needed to do. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below what mod you want to see next. Fun fact, if you stayed to the end, I have a surprise for you. I have a Greddy Evo GT exhaust for the BRZ. There is an exhaust rattle, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.